Hello, my name is Elvira Bashanaeva. I'm artist, fashion designer, professor of Shanghai Jianqiao University and the founder of a fashion brand ELVIENSE. I participated in EngrainaGES because I think it's a wonderful experience and it's like you are emerging into the mood of the entrepreneurs, and it's a wonderful experience to find out other innovative projects and to show my project as well. Yes, I do have a special collection. I have a collection of transformable garments, including evening wear dresses. So even evening wear dresses can be transformable. Also, I have a pret-a-porter line, classical one, no transformations for those who just want to look, classy. And an haute couture line when I take measurements of my clients and do particularly for their body type. So just a month ago, about my future plans, just a month ago I launched my sales on a marketplace in Russia, and I'm very happy about that. So it's a huge step in my career, and I'm selling for the moment in Instagram and through my website and on a marketplace. And for the future steps, I'm going to open a pop-up store in Galeria Lafayette, eventually soon, hopefully. And also I'm looking for investments to open a big flagship store in Paris as well. MODART helped me to become confident in my project, because with this, with the position in Paris, I could compare myself to the industry here. I could evaluate myself here. I could immerse in the culture. I could understand what people need right now. And all this together, thanks to every teacher who were here with me, and that we studied business plan. You see, it all comes true. So when I heard that there will be a business plan studies in MODART, I was super happy, because this is exactly what I needed to set up and launch my brand. Thank you so much!